One day, a cat who had gone abroad for travel returned to her homeland after many months. As soon as she reached the door of her old house, she saw that it had fallen into disrepair. But the cat did not lose hope. First, she had her entire house repaired. The broken roof, walls, and windows were all fixed and renewed. Then the cat thought, just fixing the house isn't, so she also had the road in front of her house repaired. Next, the cat had her house painted with beautiful colors. Finally, the cat went to the market and bought colorful flowers. The cat not only restored her house, but also began a peaceful and beautiful life.